Taylor about the fucking flex.
You're just like my ex. You're just like my ex. I've been there, I've done that. You're just like the last one. Said you call me back, but never call me back. Said you gon' do this, but end up doing that. You bring out my worst behavior. One more way, I know you're just like my ex. You're just like my ex.
You're just like my ex. I've been there, I've done that. You broke my heart into the core and sit there and pretend like this ain't all you're doing. Miss Dazzle in distress. Miss blow me off on that last minute. Miss just I'm here to pretend. You're so unapologetic. I can see it in your eyes. Miss pretty little girl, you're full of demise. I might be exaggerating, but the truth is you kill me inside. The star from Pretty Little Liar that warned me countless times, but I was too preoccupied to listen. I'm glad I saw you for who you are. You're just like the last one. You're just like my ex. But the difference between me and you is we've just never met.
You're just like my ex. You're just like my ex. I've been there, I've done that. You're just like the last one. Said you call me back, but never call me back. Said you gon' do this, but end up doing that. You bring out my worst behavior. One more way, I know you're just like my ex. You're just like my ex.
My exes, they play me, but I was tryna be a nice guy. Remember those days when I'm feeling humble, but I was tryna be a nice guy. Look, when I look up to the stars, I just see love, beautiful stars. Ay, for the first time I told you don't love me too much, baby girl. Why you take me down? Ay, this is B-Town, nothing easy. Please don't call me baby. Don't call me babe, I'm down with you. Ay, please focus to your life. Ay, because fake love is just waste of life. Really, just waste of life, baby girl. Ay, I know you broke my heart, but I was tryna be a nice guy. Tryna give you love, baby. But you look just my ex.
You're just like my ex. You're just like my ex. I've been there, I've done that. You're just like the last one. Said you call me back, but never call me back. Said you gon' do this, but end up doing that. You bring out my worst behavior. One more way, I know you're just like my ex. You're just like my ex.